Hi, I'm Patrick with MarineMax Stuart. Today I'll be showing you our brand new trade-in of a 2018 350 outboard 4-winds. We'll start you off from the bow with 2 recessive cleats on the side, and then you're also going to have a stainless steel windlass anchor, as well as a freshwater washdown and a remote for the bow. Storage underneath here. As we work our way back to the midship, you'll see lounge seating, jail audio speakers everywhere you look. On the port side, we'll have the galley cabin area, and on the starboard side, we'll have the lounging bed area. We have 2 Go 7 Simrad units, which are absolutely phenomenal, as well as a joystick and Mercury digital throttle, as well as the setup for the automatic trim tab system by Lenco. You have beautiful seating everywhere for a sports cruiser. Storage underneath all the seats. A beautiful summer kitchen option. You'll have the fridge here, as well as a freezer plate up here. A grill. And if you work your way to right underneath us, it's going to be plenty of storage for coolers or everything underneath the sun. We'll have a crudité table option here for you, and as we work our way back, you'll notice JL Fusion remote. Again, storage underneath here. This boat's powered by 350s at a cruising speed of 33 miles an hour with nautical range up to almost 200 miles. So if you'd like to set up an appointment or come see this boat, give me a call. Again, my name is Patrick with MarineMax Stuart. Thank you.